friends, I am HBK. Welcome to International Leaks. Today we will discuss Kazakhstan current situation. Let's find out. Some media report that one of the detainees in Almaty said that he flew in from Kyrgyzstan. Some people invited him to participate in a rally for $200. He says we paid for the flight, placed it. Together with him were people from Uzbekistan and Tajikistan. But in reality, he is a musician who came from Kyrgyzstan. You can see yourself in this video. About 300 people were detained in Kazakhstan while trying to cross the state border. All of them tried to leave the country by the transport or on the foot. On 5th Jan, 20,000 people arrived in Almaty. At the same time, the people who arrived were well armed and well organized. Due to their illegal actions, more than 1,300 people were injured, according to Interior Minister. During a special operation in Kichiloda, 27 militants were detained. The total number of detainees in region has reached 225 people. 40 weapons were seized, including Makro pistols, 5 Kalashnikov assault rifles and sawn-off shotguns, 500 rounds of different caliber in the region of Almaty. An armed gang of 20 people was detained. About half of the 1,000 volunteers from the People's Guards came to the aid of law enforcement agencies. These days, protections of important states has been strengthened in the country. Press Secretary of the President of Kazakhstan says the CSTO peacekeepers will leave the Kazakhstan after the end of the counter-terrorism operation. The military transport aircraft of the Russian Defense Ministry have taken out 500 Russians from Almaty, according to the Foreign Ministry. Kazakhstan government suspends currency exchange services in the banks. The authorities say in the course of the counter-terrorist operation in the Atru region, 197 people were detained. The President of Kazakhstan said that he does not exclude the possible participation of the citizens of the Republic in actions in Kazakhstan. You can see a footage of the looting in one of the shopping centers in Almaty during the riots. 64 people violated the state of emergency in the capital of Kazakhstan. They are awaiting trial now. Law enforcement officers conduct a door-to-door round check. The Russian Foreign Ministry said that it has registered 1,600 applications for the departure from Kazakhstan from Russian citizens. According to the Ministry of Health, 164 people died during the riots in Kazakhstan. During the riots in Kazakhstan, more than 1,000 business facilities in 10 regions were damaged. The amount of damage is $215 million. The first 3 planes with Russian citizens flew from Almaty to Russia, said the consulate. Public transport in Almaty will partially resume work on Monday, January 10. A video conference of the heads of the state of the CSTO member states is tentatively scheduled for January 10. The Ministry of Defense of Kazakhstan announced the death of 2 and injury of 163 servicemen as result of clashes with rioters of the territory of the country. In the Kichiloda, 27 militants were detained during a special operation. The total number of detainees in region has reached 225 people. The transfer of the main forces of the Russian contingent of CSTO peacekeeping forces to Kazakhstan continues at the Almaty airfield. Training has begun, during which the issues of preventing emergency situations are being worked out. The death of 2 children was confirmed in Kazakhstan. 3 were injured. Over the past night, about 100 militants and looters were detained in Almaty. 118 weapons and more than 1,000 ammunition were seized. In Kazakhstan, more than 6,000 people arrested for riots. A video of the detention of a terrorist in Almaty has appeared. Weapons and foreign passports were confiscated from them. On January 9, 91,422 people flew from Almaty on military transport planes of Ministry of Defense. The President of Kazakhstan posthumously awarded 16 military and police officers for their courage. In Nur Sultan, district police officer checked documents of foreigners, focused on hotels and rented apartments. 161 foreigners were checked by the police. They are checking the legality of their presence in the Kazakhstan. Antony Blinken says Russia wants to restore the Soviet Union, but a large number of people say CIA is behind the riots and violence in Kazakhstan. For more leaks, subscribe our channel International Leaks. Thanks for watching.